Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Chart Patterns Mastery / Simpler Trading free video for October 17th, 2023. What's today about? Well, geopolitical risk, number one. Number two, you got overbought at resistance. I go on the MACD here on the bottom, and you're overbought, but on the other hand, you're at historical tendencies that go up. Really tough call in here because you can tell, you can call it whatever you want, but the market today acted like it wanted to go up no matter what the bond market did. The bond market closed near its low, stock market had a nice rally. So instead of showing you all the stuff with the markets that are just general stuff, I thought I'd show you on how we do things in the Chart Pattern Mastery when it comes to three reasons. So let me show you what we're talking about and why we got long today. So number one, the bond market was getting trashed. No doubt about it. Bond market on its low. We watched the bond market carefully. But we were also watching internals. That's another thing I watch. Another tool in my trading machine here. So we're going to take the advanced declines on the right. And we're going to take them right here. And we're going to take them on a 1 minute chart. And I want you to see right there, right in that area, that's about 9:55 to 10:05. Then on the left, I'm going to go and show you the ES. The S&P 500 futures, I'm going to show that on a 1 minute chart. These are really good layup kind of ways to trade when you see this. So what you see in here is this. The markets went to a new low. Look at the time. So I'm going to put the time there, right there at 10 o'clock. Right there. The markets went to a new low. But look at 10 o'clock where the advanced decline was. Yeah, this went to a new low and that was going straight up, showing the internals were acting pretty well. So that's number one. Number two, Russell. Growth-oriented stocks. Go and check out what this did. Yeah, this went to a new low. This was already up here. So if you were playing the Russell, great. But if you want to play the ES, we played a ETF, an Ultra ETF, betting on the ES going up. That was the SSO. So how would you play the SSO this morning? Well, you saw this. So you saw that the markets went to a new low, the S&P 500, but the advanced decline was going straight up. Now, you could go and buy a stock that acted well. That's fine. Or you could do it this way. This is how we did it. We took when that trend line on the right broke above there. Or when this broke above that, we went and we bought the SSO right in this area. Posted it right when it happened. Posted it right when it happened. And guess what? We sold it all the way up here. So if I take over here and I add my normal grid for September, and you have over here the ATR trailing stop, and I'm going to show you that one real bright in here, not the 50. I'm going to take off the 50 and show you the ATR trailing stop. You know, I use that a lot, and I've used it for years and years. We'll put it on a 1 minute chart. You're going to see right here, not only was there a trend line, but it broke above it. Then that way keeps you in the correct direction. Look how long it stayed over the ATR trailing stop. All the way to there. Look at that. You never would have gotten out. And then you see a little topping formation. You see it roll over that, and guess what? Then you could play it on the downside. It's amazing how that works. So number one, you had the advanced decline acted well. Number two, you had the Russell acting well. Number three, you had, like I said, this going to a new low while the other indexes were going up. And then you had the break of that ATR trailing stop. And then if I make that even bigger, you can see the trend line. All those reasons. I love to have 3 reasons to do something. Here were 5. So I hope you like that. That's why we bought the ES today. Now keep in mind one other thing. Look at this on the right. Guess what? It was going up and the advanced decline started actually going down. So you see the little bull flags. That was a great tell to actually play it from the short side as well. Have a great night. Talk to you later. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Sipler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.